Good morning. It's Vijay here. Welcome to yet another episode of Pre-Market Commentary. It's Monday, 12th August 2024. Over the weekend, there was a big storm, and I believe even today morning, after the salvo of Hindenburg to SEBI chairperson's reply, I still believe it is a storm in a teacup. So while many people are expecting it to be a manic Monday, people who are bullish, the so-called Elliott wave analysts are all looking for a gap opening down and a sell-off for the Nifty to go below 24,000. This is the consensus among a lot of people. Uh, Please note that Nifty closed above 24,350. The same guys who said if Nifty closes about 24,350, they will become bullish. Now they say it will go below 24,000. So much for these technical analysts, these mumbo jumbo Elliotians. If you simply look at data, it, it shows that this week should be a good week. The probability of it being a good week is very high. So it's better to keep calm and don't expect a manic Monday. On the other hand, BTFD, that is by the dips, is more likely to work. That is our strategy today, as it has been in the past, Hindenburg notwithstanding. Today, as I mentioned, is that Japan market is closed, so one can't expect any fireworks on that front. Hong Kong, which was struggling, is now gone into positive. You have Singapore, which is down, but Kospi and Taiwan are up more than 1%. Precious metals, gold and silver are struggling. Dollar is flat, oil is flat. So there was no attack by Iran on Israel over the weekend. As I mentioned in the past, I do not see Iran, which is a very sensible country as far as geopolitical decisions are concerned, will go around and attack Israel because Israel killed a known terrorist on Iranian soil. In April, when Iranian commander, the senior most commander was killed, Iran did not do much. So to expect them to start some fresh conflagration in the Middle East based on some terrorist who has been identified and hit in Iran, it's more of a shame for Iran rather than something negative for Israel. The Palestine problem continues. We don't know how long it will continue, but that is geopolitics for you. Even the same case with Ukraine. Now, this week we have to look forward to lots of data. Today we'll have data of the consumer price index and the IIP after the market closes. Should the CPI come down, which I expect it to, then there will be a clamor for rate reduction in the next policy meeting. And September, there will be another CPI meeting before the RBI actually gets into the policy meeting. As RBI governor said that fruits and vegetables are very important, and that will be food inflation is very important for them to decide on rate reduction. I think food inflation will come down today. We have had bountiful rains in the last 1 month. We are continuing to have bountiful rains this month. So over the next 2-3 months, food inflation should come down. So having said that, what are we supposed to look at? I think Reliance and HDFC Bank will be in focus today. HDFC Bank, the results of whether it will get into MSCI will be known tonight, which means tomorrow is when the announcement would come for us tomorrow. But I think the smart guys will build up positions in HDFC Bank today. So that is one stock which we are looking at. The disclaimer here is that we hold HDFC Bank in our portfolio. I'm also looking at public sector banks because they did very well on Friday. I think they will continue to do well independent of how the market behaves. Pharma is the new king in town. So lots of pharma stocks have done well. I think on all declines, people are likely to buy into pharma. The autos may also do well if the inflation numbers are down. So there could be some build-up in auto stocks today. So you've got a lot of things to choose from today. Though we have this overhang of Hindenburg, for me personally, it doesn't make any difference. As I keep mentioning, lightning doesn't strike twice, and it is trying to strike thrice. I think it will not work out. So we are going into the session positive, looking at buying lots of. We think there will be lots of opportunities. We will pick and choose our opportunities, and hopefully, as an intraday trader, we should be successful. We also are fully committed to. I mean, our portfolio is fully committed to buying stocks and precious metals, and we are almost fully invested in the market and with a positive bias. Thank you for joining me. I am not a SEBI registered advisor. If you like this kind of analysis, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful trading day. Goodbye.